What's going on, creative crew? Welcome back to another video. So chances are if you've clicked on this one, you are a YouTuber and you're looking to get better audio for your videos. It's the #1 question that I get asked: how to improve my audio game. So today we're going to be talking about 4 things you can do to make your audio sound crispy. Roll the intro. All right, so tip #1, get that microphone off of your camera. Having a microphone farther away from you is going to impact the sound quality. It's going to make it so that it picks up more echo, #1, but also you're gonna lose a lot of the bass in your voice. So you need to physically bring that microphone closer to your subject's mouth. The closer it is, the better the bass response and the better sound quality you're going to get. The second tip that I have for you is to move away from hard surfaces. As a rule of thumb, I always like to have my microphone positioned at least 4 feet away from a hard surface, such as a wall, a door, glass, anything of that nature. And the reason being that sound bounces off of surfaces and they will get back into your microphone. So if you're talking and your microphone is right up against a hard surface, well, the sound is going to bounce off of that hard surface, re-enter the microphone, and it's going to cause something called phase cancellation. And all you need to know is it's going to make your voice sound weaker and tinny. So make sure to move that microphone about 4 feet, if you can, away from a hard surface. And if you cannot do that, what I would do, let's say you're limited by space, try and put a pillow or another soft material behind your microphone. That way, instead of bouncing all of that sound back immediately, it's going to absorb some of the sound and you're not going to have as big of a problem. Tip #3, make sure to properly set your gain. So this is something that I see a lot of beginners have a hard time doing, and it causes problems when you put your video onto your computer. Essentially, you want to make sure to set your gain so that your levels are showing you an average of around -12 dB. Once you actually get to average at around -12 dB, you're gonna see that it's going to give you a lot more headroom so that you can get animated and you can really be happy and move around and just actually put some more volume in your voice without clipping your channel. If you're more animated, I would more so set it to -15 dB, and when you do this, you're going to get even more headroom so that you can actually say what you want to say with the dynamics that you want to have. Tip #4, last but not least, I say always normalize your audio. And guys, just for a second, if you're getting something out of this and you want to join the creative crew, go ahead and click that subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. So normalizing your audio is the process of making sure that each and every video that you have is the same volume. There's nothing worse than clicking from one video and then going to another and then your ears are bleeding because the second video is so loud. So what you always want to do is normalize your audio. And I'm not going to go hugely into depth. If you want that, I'm going to be making a video about that coming soon. So subscribe to stay tuned. But those are the 4 things that you can do in order to get the best sound for YouTube. I'll catch you guys in the next video.